Do you know what it really takes to build a successful business? It isn't strategy, and it's not necessarily based on skill set. It comes down to one important factor: what's going on in your mind. Did you know that on average, 60% of the thoughts that you're thinking today are the same thoughts that you had yesterday, and the day before, and the day before that? So, by shifting your mindset, you can start to create different results. That means every time you have a negative thought or thinking that you're not worthy of this or you don't know what to do, that you find something to do that helps you feel successful, that you interrupt that pattern of what's automatically going on in your head and creating something different. You can do this with affirmations. You can do this simply by stopping your thought and refocusing on something that's important. Being mindful is one of the most critical elements of any successful goddesspreneur. Think about it.